Let's build an astrological numerology calculator. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Appreciate it if you press subscribe and like below if you like the video, or subscribe if you would like to learn how to build applications, games, anything you can think of. We can create a virtual version. Today we'll be building a numerological astrological number calculator. It's going to be based on your birth date. It will give you your astrological number. I just learned about this stuff last night. There are some variations, but the one that we will be using takes the digits of your birth month, birth day, and birth year, adds them together. My dog is going to be joining us, and it's Casper and Pilot playing with some toys. But the calculator adds together the month digits, the day digits, and the year digits, adds those together. It strips them down to, it sums each one into a one-digit number, unless that number is 11, 22, or 33. Those are special numbers, and those do not get broken down into smaller numbers. So once we get those three numbers, our month number, our day number, and our year number, we add those together, and then again we will sum the digits. So if we have 12, 1 plus 2 equals 3. We'll sum the digits like that, and we'll get our final single digit astrological number. We can look online then to see what our astrological number means. Yeah, just a little something fun to do. So we'll give it some more instructions here. In the meantime, I'd just like to thank you again for watching this video. Try not to make it too boring this time, if I can. If you got any tips or any suggestions, let me know in the comments, or you can send me an email at the real chadgpt5@gmail.com. Again, that's the real chadgpt5@gmail.com. So this will give us our astronomical number. Let's go. And it's creating it. And I want a nice GUI with it. So what's a GUI? It's a graphical user interface. That just means that we're going to have a program to look at rather than having to type in the terminal box. So this is our GUI. It's not the prettiest thing I've ever seen, but it seems functional. Enter your birth date, month, date, year. So January 2nd, 1980, astrological number is 3. I'll try another one. September 11th, 2001. Terrible date for our country, but the astrological number is 5. January 6th, 2021. I think I got that right. It's another terrible date for our country. We calculate that. That's the astrological number 3. So seems to be working, but let's make some changes to this. We want to make it more fancier. And some futuristic colors, some blacks, silvers, golds, neon colors. You'd think that it would be easy for the program to do this, but for some reason, it doesn't like to decorate my GUIs for me very well. So you'll see, it doesn't come out the best. Again, we can keep playing with it, and define our interface, our GUI. And let's make it full screen. I don't like that little window. So here it's going to write some code for us. I see our colors there. You notice the number signs, the pound signs, the hashtags. Those are to make comments in Python. So the code doesn't read that line. That's not full screen. Oh, that was our old one. Here we go. Here's our full screen one. We can enter in a birth date here. Go with 6/7/1979 and calculate that one. That's going to be the astrological number 3. Again, you're going to want to check these to make sure they're accurate, but it seems accurate enough to me. Calculated it in your head with the calculator. This is not closing, but thank you for joining me. I hope you liked what you see. This is what we actually came up with for the final results. A little bit fancier. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, please press subscribe below and like the video. And if you want to create more apps, follow me. Thank you.